Good morning. Welcome to TDR Tech Talk. Today I'm just going to go quickly over my new website, TDR-GP.tech, and pictured as a Julian Farman bike. Obviously, you can go to the AY2 project. It has a description of everything in here, wheelbase stuff, all the things that Julian worked on. Obviously, what's caught everybody's attention today is the SR72 engine builds. If you go to engines right here and click on that on my website, you will see the picture of a 421cc engine, which is basically in the new AY2 motor. This is a description of all the different things that we do. Engine details. Now, on the Facebook site, I was pegged for having AI puffy stuff on my website. The person probably didn't think that this stuff really existed. Trust me, it does. We have OEM crankcases with limited supply. This is driveline crankcases, which are die cast. Obviously, die-cast cases cost a lot for development, a lot for the dies. Make a better quality as far as tighter tolerances, thinner material, density of the aluminum. There's good things with the die-cast and, some bad things. The bad things are it takes a lot longer to develop, a lot more money. Those crankcases are available today through TDR or through Driveline Performance. Sandcast cases, CPI. I prefer these because they are US made. Very good friends with Elaine promoting her cases. They are a little more expensive, but they are actually handmade, designed right to your specs, direct from CPI. Now, Mattoon Machine makes billet crankcases just like the one you see there. That is a third set of crankcases that I can purchase, and you can get them through TDR or direct through Mattoon Machine. They will work for the RZ350s. Again, they are custom designed for your specs, meaning what size crankshaft you want, what size bore you want, what cylinders you want, the base gasket area to match the cylinders, etc. Looking further on down in here, we have transmissions. The SR72 engine that I mentioned comes with either a Nova transmission, brand new, or a George Sortichos, probably butchering his name. So George has dry clutches and also has standard transmissions and close ratio transmissions. That is an option that you can get in the SR72 engines. As I get more orders, Robinson Industries has already been contacted. Once these orders are in place, then I will be purchasing transmissions from him, US made as well. After that, we have the dry clutch system, which comes from George, who is out of Greece, or you can get the SSO dry clutch system that bolts directly onto your existing Yamaha YPVS crankcase. This is a really, really nice system, extremely well made. Yes, it is expensive. Then you can get into the Cheetah Cub cylinders, which use the smaller Banshee intake manifolds. A lot of people will buy that because it costs less money. Then we have the CPI non-power valve cylinders. We use those totally and exclusively on the SR72 engine unless a customer wants something different. Right now we run the non-power valve cylinders. I put my own custom portwork, pipe, ignition, carbs. We run a very wide power band, very easy to drive. For other customers who want an actual power valve cylinder, we are working on doing all the machine ops right now to have pressure operated power valves, which will be available shortly. And after that, I have all the information and all the drawings basically to start producing servo operated power valve systems. Finally, after that, over here, you can see the V-twin engine right here. That is an earlier version of the Remar motor, which is another build that will come up after the SR72. This is basically the package that people can order engines. I'm doing spreadsheets right now. Prices change daily, but it will be a basic idea of everything that can be ordered to custom build RZ engines, complete from scratch, all brand new parts. If you have any information or you want any information, please contact me through the listed numbers that I will provide. Thank you very much. Have a good day.